What is that?
This is tornado. Look, tornado landscape. I accidentally squished it. Look, this is the ground. This is the column. This is the storm. The eye. The eye of the tornado. I made it with the fan. I put the clay in the fan, and then I turned on the fan, and then I shaped it into different kind of stuff, like a pottery, like pottery machine. That's how I make it.
Okay. Kuya, are you done na, guys? What is that? Show me.
It's yours.
Show me what is this? Wow, it looks Stranger Things. Mama, you are the best mom. I love you. What is this? I like to eat ice cream. Like it. I like it.
What again?
I like to
Again.
eat ice cream.
Mama, you are the best mom. I like to eat ice cream. I like eat.
Pati yung braso na ito, may puyo eh, no?
Tingin mo, meron yan.
Kaya siguro sobrang kulit mo eh, no?
Tornado?
Mm-mm.
Tornado hair?
Thank you, Kuya. I love you.
Let's go reveal.
Mwah.
Mama, can we reveal our cards later?
Okay.
In 12.
Okay, 12. What is this?
Merry Christmas, Mama. I tried to dry it.
Okay, you dry it tonight. Okay. Open your gifts.
Video.
Open. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. Baby. Hindi ko makuha yung ano nila buo. Okay.
Hindi marunong magtanggal lang na.
Nasa yung cellphone mo, baby.
We just pull this off. Oh. Yes.
Baby,
Ah.
mga ng music na Christmas sa cellphone mo. John, Didi! I cannot see you in the camera already. Okay, open your gift here. Here, move here, move here. Oh my God, Kuya! What is that? Oh my God, what is that, Kuya? What is it? Hinipin na. What is that, Kuya? Ano? Jive. Energetic. What is that? Stranger Things. You like it?
Yes, I like it. I love it.
There's another one. What is that, Jan? It's for your vlog. It's when you're making videos. What is that? What do you do with that?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Hellfire.
What else? Jan, open it. Open your gift.
I love this.
Arrange it.
No. You got favorite.
What do you use that for when you are making videos? When you're making videos, right? Your phone. You like it, Jan? Oh. Open this one, Jan. Open this. Open this. Check what's inside. Oh, what is that? Is that money?
Yep.
It's money. How about you, Jan? What is that money, Jan Jan? Oh my God. Yes! Merry Christmas, guys!
Thank you, Mama.
How about you, Jan Jan? Did you like it?
Let's pick this.
Magnetic. Butas yung short mo. I-edit ko tong tamol mo.
Magnetic na yung itlog. Yung shirt is butas.
Yes, yes, that thing I did. That thing I did. What?
Kaya mo yan, di ba, baby? Harem. Harlem.
Yeah. Yeah. Christmas. What?
No! Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. What is that?
Look, this is for Tito. It says, Tito, look, you make good food.
Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Can you show us your eyes? Okay. What can you say about Mama's gift?
This is the best. This is a great gift. I love it.
Okay. And then the cap is Tito's gift to you.
Thank you, Tito.
And then this t-shirt. What can you say?
I loved it because it's almost going to be the end of Stranger Things. And I'm still going to wear it.
So, you like your gift?
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. Stern, come here.
Come on.
Hi, Jan Jan. What? Oh, no. Do you like your gift?
Yes.
It's me and Tito's gift to you.
Thank you, Tito. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. How can you use this? Is this very useful to you?
Yes, because I can get metal in the beach.
Metal. Ginawa metal
Gagawin ko
detector.
lang pang-
No, it's for your vlogs, for your content creation on YouTube.
gawin mo lang pang huli.
Do you like it?
Sand din.
Okay, very good. Merry Christmas, guys. Okay, and they give me this. And then, Tito gave me this. This is my favorite chocolate. Thank you so much. Now, it's Tito's turn to open his present. Sige. Tito's gonna open na.
Okay, let's see. And then
Let's
just
see.
gives out an iPhone.
iPhone. Saka na yan, iPhone.
iPhone.
It is iPad Pro Max.
iPad Pro. I cannot afford that yet. Not yet. Ah, wait.
There you go.
Home alone.
iPhone.
What is this?
Diaper.
But first, like and subscribe before you see the gift.
Ano naman yung pambawal ko?
Okay.
Wala, wag mo mahulog yan. Bawal mahulog yung nandyan. Naka-gnarly pa yan.
Gnarly.
Okay. Sirain mo na lang.
Okay.
There are 3 gifts inside.
Oh.
One from me, and one from Wonwon, one from Janjan.
What?
Yes.
So you got something from me?
Yes.
What?
Ha! Hingi po nun yan. The anticipation on his face. And his face. Oh, show us. Eh, yung kinukulit mo ako dyan eh. Gusto niya mag peanut butter. Pero meron diyang gift talaga para sa'yo. Mm. Yan.
Wow.
Time money.
Let's go, mekos, mekos.
Mekos. Another gift.
Ay, di.
It's a wallet for your own money. You need to have your own money.
Let's go.
Oh.
I thought there's a wallet that...
Ala, may pera yun. Oo. May meron na siyang pambili.
Pwede ng gym mamaya.
Oh. Yes!
Pambomba sa gulo?
Yes, para pag nasa daan ka,
What is
kung
this?
magkaroon ka
What
ng
is
motor.
Pump? Air pump?
Ear pump for Tito, whenever
Like the
he's in the biyahe, he can actually just pump his car or vehicle or anything.
Ilang volts to?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Pwede sa charger ng cellphone.
Ay! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Gustuhan mo?
Hmm.
Next time, motor naman.
Ito ng tubig.
Motor na naman. Oy, dangerous. Is it strong, the wind?
Number one.
Grabe naman to. Pag naplatan ka dun sa mga ano na bahay.
May...
Bro, may nagka...
Ang ina mo, ingay mo. Patayin ko yun. Ang ina mo, naplatan na nga ako eh. Ano ba?
Hindi, pwede rin yan, baby, sa ano, sa pool na inflatable, tsaka sa lobo. O, lobo? Yung bola.
Hindi natin man.
Ay, i-upload ko to, tangi. Oh, nag-enjoy yung isa doon sa gift niya. Oh, si Sanji, kawawa, walang gift.
Ayun, yung phone. Binigay ko sa kanya yung sapin. Meron na siyang sapin.
Kuya, andun siguro, sinusukat yung damit. Nasa taas ang tagal eh. Ha?
Maganda to.
Ang kulit mo ko eh, minamayat-maya mo ko. Food processor. Food processor.
Wala kasi tayong food processor.
Ha?
Ganda kasi may food processor.
Meron din naman ako food processor ah. Mano-mano, pang camping lang.
Pwede yung igit.
Ha?
Pwede yung gilingin yung igit. Eh,
Uy, inubos nyo na yung coke.
sila.
Hala, tigaw yung bisa. Ini-experiment niya yung ano niya eh. Ginawa niyang flashlight. Ang galing ah. Pwede ka lang magminero.
Saan to?
Rubber. Para dun sa takip, siguro. Ay, sa ilalim, baby. Sa ilalim, di ba yung meron tayo niyan? Para hindi siya umandar habang nagimigiling. Sa ilalim yan. Para hindi siya
Ah, dito?
Opo.
Some pressure cooker naman.
Wow! Ay, yung mga gift yun. Ako request ko, baby. Baka sa anniversary natin, request ko sa'yo. Helmet. Para di na ako nangangati sa ulo. Kahit walang motor, helmet lang. Mang Maxim. Mang joyride. Oy! Guys! Wow. Enjoy sila. Oy, careful ha. On the stairs.
Galing pa lang ako focus.
It has to. I have to do like this to make it higher.
Na ano lang yan, nakunot.
Ma. Ma.
Ah.
Can you adjust it to make it like
Libre pa siyang kutsilyo.
Hindi pang script yan, baby, siguro.
Ma, can you
Oo.
Ma, can you adjust it to make it like
Oo.
this?
Come here.
But this will magnetic. If you do it like this.
The what?